Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That is about s to the power of n dx. We have s to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, and we put about c. Because we have the bounds, so we don't need to use capital C anymore. So this one is about number 3. 3 plus 1, we have number 4 over number 4. This is about number 1. So 1 plus 1 is about number 2 over number 2. And we put the bounds from number 2 to number 6. And now we have the final answer. So I will put number 6 in here. And number 2 in here. And we got the final answer. We have 352 in here. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.